how did you prepare for data insight, especially?
Data insights, as there are not enough material. So what I did, one is, as I have already bought all the official mocks of classic edition, so I went there and solved the like IR region, what they call IR region. I solved all the questions in that particular area. So I had six mocks, which I've given twice. So like if you give it twice, the number of the questions that you will see are very different from the first attempt. So I had a total of 12 marks there, in which I got 12 marks, and I think there you get 15 questions. So 12 marks with 15 questions each. So that was good enough for the day. And after that, I solved, like I had bought a monthly premium card for that GMAT club, where in forum quiz you can solve AI questions as well. They give users have to select which kind of question, table or MSR or any kind of question that you want to solve. Just give them the number. Like I want to solve six table questions, and they will curate the list according to the source that you select. Source could be Instant or Kaplan, whichever source they have. Could be official also. So from there, I solved for DI questions. And I think for 2 or 3 weeks, majority I solved the DI questions because again they were most of them were related to math and I didn't have any problem.